When was the last time you actually trusted that printed restaurant list taped to the hotel wall? You know the one. It looked perfect the day it went up, but now half the places have new hours, one has closed, and the best new spot in town isn't even on it. This project replaces that yellowing sheet of paper with a live digital board that hotel staff can keep current in seconds. No printing, no laminating, no IT support. Guests see a clean, welcoming dining guide with hand-picked recommendations, each showing the cuisine, star rating, price level, walking distance, and opening hours. And the entire dashboard was generated by Peakboard's AI from a single prompt with no manual programming at all. Hotel crew tap a discrete corner button, enter a short pin on the on-screen keypad, and instantly add new discoveries or remove places that have closed. It all runs locally with realistic sample data, so it works right out of the box and updates the moment a staff member makes a change. Any receptionist can keep it fresh between check-ins, and guests always see an accurate, beautiful, up-to-date guide instead of a faded printout. You can download this project for free using the link in the description below.